Hey guys, this is our new M18 30-quart job site rolling fridge. What we're doing here is delivering an iceless system. You're gonna get true refrigeration, able to cool down to -4 degrees. Whether you need something like water bottles or even freezing something like electrolytes on the job, you have what you and your crew need to stay hydrated. Now, we can power this unit with M18 AC power or DC. What you're gonna get there is a 5.0 battery is gonna give you 8.5 hours of runtime, plus another 16 hours of retention, giving you over 24 hours of cooling performance. Now, you can also see that we can use 2 M18 batteries in this product. So if you step up to 2 12.0 batteries, you're able to get over 2.5 days of total cooling performance. Now, cooling was only one part of the story. We also did a ground-up design with users in the field. Things like a 9-inch all-terrain wheels, all-steel handle, Packout compatibility, and durable latches and hinges allow you to bring that hydration, bring that fridge no matter where you are, and make it easy to not only survive on the job site, but also be able to bring that hydration where you need it. The M18 job site rolling fridge is coming in May of 2027 and delivers ice-cold performance, all-terrain, all day.
Today we're introducing the new M18 Top-Off 350-watt power supply and charger with Packout compatibility. This features 2 120-volt AC outlets, 100-watt USB-C bidirectional PD port, and a second 15-watt USB-C port to deliver simultaneous power for 4 devices, 2x runtime for greater productivity throughout the day. You'll notice that we have a new power dial integrated into the interface of this new Top-Off. As I turn the speed up on this fan, the load changes, providing immediate feedback on the power consumption of connected devices. Now there's 2 batteries on here, but you only need 1 battery for operation. If I take this battery off, you'll notice it keeps powering. There's no interruption to my workflow. This is critical for those applications that require full connectivity all the time. These will be shipping in February of 2027, retailing at $269.
What's going on, guys? Here I have the next generation M12 brushless mounting fan. This fan can pump out up to 420 CFM of air at 16 miles an hour, providing powerful directional cooling no matter the mounting position. With this fan, we wanted to focus on versatility, making sure guys can mount this in any position. Here at the base, we have 2 magnet sets that allow you to easily attach to any metal surface. Secondly, we have 2-inch threaded clamp that allows secure fastening on 2x4s, 1.5-inch round pipe, and any other 2-inch wide mounting surface. Finally, we have a pass-through handle that allows guys to easily hang this tool or nail mount it, especially useful on early construction sites. Like I said, this is one of our most versatile fans yet, and we're really excited to announce this is coming in March of 2027.
Hey everyone, my name is Logan and I'm extremely excited to introduce to you our next generation M18 high output XC5 battery. This battery is going to be delivering 50% more power than our previous generation M18 Red Lithium XC50. This battery is going to be stepping up from a power level 2 to a power level 3, all at the same price point as the previous generation. Single packs are going to begin shipping at the beginning of next month, and then double packs, combo kits, and 10 packs will start shipping at the beginning of Q1.
Hi, I'm Ethan. I'm excited to announce the M18 Red Lithium Forge HD15. The 15 delivers 15 amp hours of runtime, 50% more power than the high output HD12, 25 minutes supercharged to 80%, longest life, as well as all in the exact same size as our Forge HD12.
We're announcing the next gen Fastback Utility Knives. Users today love our utility knives, but we found a way to make our already best-in-class knives even better. Starting with that press and flip fast one-handed open, making it even faster and smoother of an application. Adding the textured grip zones to the front and back handle halves, as well as the top spine, so that it gives you that extra added grip control while you're cutting. Looking at our hero and fan favorite of the day, we've got our Fastback 6-in-1 being upgraded to an all-metal body. In addition to the 6 features, the next biggest update is going to be this completely redesigned bit holder for 2 reasons. Durability, so it does not fail on you. Number 2 is it's going to be sold with a double-ended shockwave bit. This bit holder is compatible with all 1-inch, 2-inch single-sided bits and all 1/4-inch double-ended bits as well. meaning a user can open up their bit kit and select any tip style they want best suited for the job that they perform every single day.
How's it going today? I'm excited to introduce the M18 misting fan. We've heard that heat has been a large problem on site, impacting comfort, focus, and productivity. So we came out with the M18 misting fan backed by high performance cooling, coverage, and versatility at your point of work. Now we know that conventional misting systems is getting those work areas soaked, so we've refined our misting particle and backed it by up to 1,450 CFM at 12 miles an hour, allowing you to get up to 14 degrees cooler in those work areas. Water is a tough thing on site, so what we did is we integrated 3 different water systems for you. You can siphon from your 1-gallon tank. This is also going to have your 5-gallon bucket cutout on the base, so you can sit that right onto any 5-gallon bucket there. Got the cutout on the base of your fan as well, if you just wanted to put the fan there. Or, with no extra adapters, go to any standard garden hose here, all with the same hose. Now we also have 3 different oscillation modes: 60 degree, 120, and 180, allowing you to cover up to 350 square feet with distances all the way back to 15 feet. This guy's going to be shipping next March of 2027.
Go.
We're here at Pipeline 2026. My name is Caden Krug. I'm a product manager here at Milwaukee Tool, and today I'm going to be showcasing our brand new air tip bucket topper dust collector. This is one of our 5 brand new air tips that we had launched back in May of this year. Specifically for the bucket topper, this is going to be perfect for anybody that's going to be working in your remodeling trade, flooring, tile, masonry, or anybody that's going to be mixing in your standard 5-gallon bucket. So let me show you how it works. When you use it without the bucket topper, when you pour the material into your bucket, you can see the dust plume that comes out from when you do so. With our secure bucket attachment design that we have here, you'll be able to easily fit onto your standard 5-gallon bucket, turn on your vacuum, and from there it'll suck up the dust plume and contain that dust. Like so.
Hey guys, welcome to Pipeline. My name is Patrick, and this is the new Packout hand truck. This is the 2nd generation of our previous hand truck. We heard your guys' feedback and we made some serious upgrades. First thing I want to call out is that we did keep that 400-pound weight capacity we know you guys love, but this time we're introducing an all-steel body to help you better stay durable on the job site, moving those large and heavy objects. Another really cool thing that we did is we set our 10-inch flat-free wheels. We kept those. This time we set them outbound to give you improved stability on the job site when moving those large and heavy objects. Another really cool thing is we kept the folding base plate, but we made it even quicker to make us more competitive in the market. You can now activate it with your foot, and then you can pull the base plate up for easy storage when the hand truck is not in use. Another really cool feature is that we expanded the stacker hang function. So now you can stack or hang even more toolbox attachments or crates on the top plate. This will be launching in Q4 of 2026. I'm excited to see you guys out in the field. The retail will be $279.
This is the brand new M18 Fuel 4-gallon wet dry vacuum with Packout compatibility and backlink. As you can see, it's got top, bottom, and also back Packout compatibility. So you can put this anywhere in a Packout stack. You can put it on a wall plate, wherever you want it to go. I'm going to put it right in the middle of this Packout stack. So we'll put it on the base, and then we're going to put this drawer set right on top. This product has 70 CFM, 60 inches of suction, really giving you more suction for that increased cleaning capability. We're going to pick up some of this heavy gravel here. It is wet and dry capable as well. So if you need wet debris or water to need to clean up, you can use this vacuum for that as well. What's really awesome about this is when you need to empty your tank, clean out your filter, you do not have to unstack anything from the top of your Packout stack. The tank slides right out from the side of the product. You take it wherever you need to go, trash can, dumpster, wherever you need to get rid of that debris. Just take the lid off, empty that out wherever it needs to go, put the lid back on, and slide it right back in. So everything is fully accessible on the unit. It's really optimized for that on-stack use. We've got the tank, the battery is in this side along with the UI. We've also got our floor utility nozzle here, the hose right in front, and then a crevice tool storage piece as well. And finally, the last feature I want to talk about, it is backlink wireless dust control capable. So you can use that with the remote that comes included with the tool, powered on and off at the end of the hose. But you can also use it with any of our backlink compatible power tools. So we've got the sander, a couple of rotary hammers, a couple of circ saws, where as soon as you power on these tools and are doing your application where you need dust collection, the vacuum's gonna turn on automatically. When you turn the tool off, it's gonna pull the debris through the rest of the hose and the vacuum's gonna turn off automatically as well. So fully automated wireless dust control with backlink. The 4-gallon vac, new, gonna be coming in October of this year.